Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to enable or disable dark mode on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download Firefox from another browser because you don't have it with Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen we have the search box, we have it also in the top side of the screen. We have add shortcuts, and in the top right corner we have the three lines where you have a lot of settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable or disable dark mode on Firefox. So first of all, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings, as so. Now click on add-ons and themes in the left sidebar, and when you go to, of course, you can find them also here, so add-ons and themes, or you can click Ctrl+Shift+A. Then go to themes, which is the third option here, as you can see. Choose a dark theme for the list and click enable. So you have them here, as you can see, dark theme enable, and you just need to click here. Of course, to disable it, you just need to do the same thing, and here you just need to click on enable, disable, so basically the same tabs, just a different button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.